There is a specific click, a mechanical, tactile snap that has remained unchanged for over 70 years. To most people, it's just the sound of a shutter. To a Leica photographer, it's the heartbeat of a legacy. But today, that heartbeat is skipping a beat. We are standing at the most controversial, most anticipated, and arguably the most dangerous moment in the history of the Wetzlar giant. The Leica M12 has emerged from the shadows of rumor, and it isn't just a camera. It is a fundamental challenge to everything we thought we knew about the M badge. For decades, Leica was the sanctuary of the purist. No autofocus, no video, no distractions. But the world of 2026 is moving faster than a rangefinder can keep up with. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And according to the deepest leaks from inside the German workshops, Leica is about to do the unthinkable. They are about to give the M series a soul transplant. If you've ever held a Leica, or if you've ever dreamed of owning that iconic red, you need to sit down. Because the M12 isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution that might just divide the photography world forever. Let's talk about the ghost in the machine. For years, Leica has relied on sensors from outside their walls. Most recently, the incredible 60-megapixel unit from Sony. It was good. It was sharp. But it wasn't Leica from the ground up. That ends with the M12. Our sources indicate that Leica has spent the last 4 years developing their own proprietary, European-made sensor architecture. This is a return to the roots of the brand. We are moving away from the megapixel war and towards something much more elusive, micro-contrast mastery. The M12 is rumored to feature a 60 to 70 megapixel triple-resolution sensor that prioritizes color science and organic grain over clinical sharpness. They want the digital file to be indistinguishable from a frame of 35mm film. They aren't chasing the Sony A7R or the Nikon Z9. They are chasing the ghost of Henri Cartier-Bresson. But here is where the purists might start to sweat. There are two words that have never belonged in an M-series conversation: image stabilization. For 70 years, the M was too small, too mechanical, and too perfect to house a moving sensor. But the M12 is breaking the rules. We are hearing reports of a radically redesigned, ultra-slim IBIS, in-body image stabilization, system specifically engineered for the M12. Leica realized that as megapixels go up, even the slightest vibration ruins the shot. By introducing a 3-axis stabilization system that doesn't add bulk to the body, they are turning every vintage Noctilux and some Micron into a stabilized powerhouse. Imagine shooting at a half-second shutter speed, handheld, in the middle of a neon-lit Tokyo street, and coming away with a tack-sharp image. It's a superpower that the M system has never had. And it doesn't stop there. Let's talk about the viewfinder. The rangefinder is the soul of the M. Looking through a piece of glass, seeing the world in real time, and aligning two patches, it's a ritual. But Leica is finally acknowledging that sometimes, rituals need a modern edge. The M12 is rumored to debut a hybrid viewfinder. Much like the Fujifilm X100 series, but executed with German precision. With a flick of a switch, the optical glass transforms into a 5.7